it's Christy Rocks XO. So in today's video, we are going to be making a 3-tier Christmas tree. I'm really excited to share this little DIY with you. I'm so excited for the holidays, and I absolutely love the way that this 3-tier tray came out. And you guys really seem to love my Halloween 3-tier tray, so I figured why not bring them a Christmas one, because I am obsessed with Christmas as well. So what you're gonna need for this DIY is you're going to need some ornaments. So I did go ahead and pick up this green pack, and then I picked up this red pack here, and everything is from the Dollar Tree. Also, when you go to Dollar Tree, they have a ton of trays, so you can go ahead and pick whichever trays you like, but I did want to go ahead and pick up these trays here. They're just all red, classic, and they have a little Santa here, and I think these are little presents. Yes, these are presents on the side. I'm not sure if you can see that with the glare. So you will need 3 of these trays here, so I did go ahead and pick up 3. Also, you're going to need some E6000 glue, and when handling this glue, make sure you're in a ventilated area and that you are wearing gloves, and do not touch it with your hands. You don't want to get sick from it. You will also need 2 of these beautiful vases here, and these are also from Dollar Tree. So before I start, I just want to make sure to let you know that once again, Dollar Tree has so many amazing decor pieces. So if this isn't your color scheme, I'm sure there's something there that will complement your color scheme. My theme is definitely whimsical, so I did go ahead and pick up traditional colors like reds and greens. But like I said, pick up whatever you like. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're going to take our ornaments, and I am going to take this opportunity to place something inside of my vase. So what I'm gonna place are these ornaments. So I'm gonna start with whichever color, doesn't matter. I'm gonna take my hot glue gun. I'm just gonna put some glue here on the side, just like that. And I will be placing this inside of my vase. It's gonna look so cute. So I'm gonna alternate from red and green and then red. So let's see, let's do a glitter green. So here I'm just placing some glue, and I'm gonna be placing the ornament right on top. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take the red one, put some glue, and put it right on top. Just like that. Super easy. So now I'm going to set this one aside, and it looks really cute. It is still drying, and I'm going to go ahead and set it to the side and start on this one here. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to start with green this time, and it doesn't really matter. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my ornament, place it on the bottom, and I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this red one, and I'm gonna place it right on top. And you want to hold it for a little because it takes a minute, not a minute, but it takes a few seconds to dry. Just want to make sure it's fully dried. Now that the ornaments are nice and dry, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take our E6000 glue, and we are going to place a nice amount along the rim of our vase. So get a nice amount on there. It doesn't matter if the glue drips over a little bit, because you won't be able to see it once you add all of your decorative pieces. So, and plus it's a DIY, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just try and get it on there just so it sticks. So now that I have a nice amount of glue on there, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna flip it over, and I'm going to find the middle of my tray as best as possible. Like I said, you don't have to be perfect. So just like that, I found my middle of my tray, and now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to be putting glue on the bottom of the vase here. I'm gonna put a nice amount. This glue is like kind of hard to come out, but we're gonna make it happen. And like I said, you want to use this in a well ventilated area. All of my windows and my back door is wide open. Now that I have glue on my vase, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take my second tray, and I'm going to be trying to find the middle as best as possible. So, and this glue doesn't dry right away, so you still have time to move it around and get it as straight as possible, so no worries. You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna take your last and final vase, and once again, like we did the first one, we are going to be rimming the top of this vase with the E6000 glue. So get it all over the rim. Okay, so now you're gonna wanna go ahead and you're gonna find the top of your first vase, and you're gonna try and line it up as best as possible, and you're going to place this vase right on top of, I don't want to move it too fast, on top of this vase that's down here. You can't see it, but you want to place this vase right on top of it. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put some glue once again on top of this vase here. Now that I have the glue all on this vase here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my last and final tray, and I'm going to be placing it right on top, trying to get it as in the middle as possible. Okay, so now that we have our 3-tier tray all together, what I go ahead and do is I let this dry for more than 24 hours. I do also put some weight on top. So here I have this candle, and I just place it on the top vase, so that way it creates some weight, so that way it ensures that the trays really stick to the vases. Also, this DIY here that you see right in the back here, I do have a DIY on that. I will go ahead and put an iCard right up here, so go ahead and click that if you're interested in this DIY in the background. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video because we will be decorating this 3-tier tray. So let's go ahead and let's move on to our next DIY. And for our second DIY, we are going to be making Rae Dunn inspired mugs. Now, this mug is from Dollar Tree. I did go ahead and pick it up a few months ago, and I haven't seen these cups again. However, Dollar Tree has a ton of cups that you can choose from. So all I'm going to do is I'm simply going to be placing a decal on top of my cup, and it's super easy. And you can find any of these decals online, like on Etsy, or just put it into Google and they will come right up. So what I'm going to go ahead and do first is I'm going to spray my cup with some alcohol, just in case there's any dust or any type of oils. Here is my decal. I will be making one that says the Grinch, not the Grinch. I'll be making one that says Grinch. I'll also be making one that says Whoville, and I will also be making this one here that says Jolly. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what Jolly. So I'm simply just kind of folding it a little bit, and I'm just going to see where I want it. Okay, so here are my mugs. They came out so cute. I just love them so much. I just love them. So here's this one here, and it says Jolly. And I also made one that says Whoville. Of course, I swear I'm a Who, so I had to make one that said Whoville. And last but not least, I had to make one that says Grinch. So I made one with green writing, red writing, and in black writing, and I absolutely adore the way they came out. I just love them, and I think they're going to be an awesome addition to my 3-tier tray. So let's go ahead and let's go over there and let's start decorating that 3-tier tray. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's decorate our 3-tier tray. I just love the way my tray came out, by the way. It came out so cute. So here's what we're going to be using. This is just a little overview of everything. Everything is from the Dollar Tree except for this little pick here. I did pick this up at Walmart, and this was for only 98 cents. It doesn't have the price, but it was only 98 cents. But everything you see here was from Dollar Tree. So here I have some ornaments here. I have some vase filler. Now I don't know if I'm going to be using everything, but I'm just going to show you exactly what I got. Let me go ahead and put this down a little bit. Alright, so over here I have a few trees. So I have some white trees and some green trees with some flock on them. And then here I have this decorative shred. I have a couple of bags of the white and a couple of bags of the red shred. So I also have some more ornaments back here. I have a few picks. I have these silver picks, and I also have these red picks here. And for the signs, I have these here. I have this one that says Happy Holidays, super cute. I love the black background. And then I have this one here that says Merry Christmas, and I have this one here that says Ho Ho Ho. Oh, and I also have this one here, the snowman. He is so cute, so I will be using him quite possibly. I'm not sure, but more than likely I am. So let's go ahead and let's start decorating.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day.
Alright everyone, here you have it. Here is the final result, and I'm absolutely loving the way this 3-tier tray came out. I also love that it is so inexpensive and you can create something so beautiful. I'm obsessed with the ornaments inside the glass, and of course I just love the Grinch, so I love my cups and I just love the Whoville cup. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I also hope that you were inspired. If you were, please give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to share this video with all of your friends. And until next time, XO till I overdose. Bye!